Welcome back to another episode of Hunt Zinke's Fly Fishing and Hiking Adventures. Top of the morning to you. We're headed out early. Sun's just coming up. It's around 6:45. We're about to shoot up where we left off and try to get some trout before we head home. Let's see what we can do. Let go. The morning was starting off pretty rough. I wasn't having any luck, and honestly I was about to give up, but then I remember when you're close to making it, that's when you feel like giving up the most. Message. So I decided to just switch up my flies and went with a dry fly dropper setup with a little midge hanging down. And before you knew it, whoop-ow! Your boy was on. I was reeling in trout left and right. This trout didn't stand a chance against the John McClain of trout fishing. Come on. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those spots and color pattern. The nature and the scenery out here came second to none. It definitely did not disappoint. On my hike up further up the creek, I decided to take in some shots, and it was absolutely gorgeous. The wildlife was popping. I didn't see any bears. I did want to come across a couple, but did come across this fella. Hey buddy. Then it was back to fishing. Like I said, once I figured out the algorithm, it was left and right. Come here. Yippee-ki-yay, Mother Nature, you don't stand a chance. I had a 7X tippet, so I had to be pretty careful about reeling these bad boys in. This one was putting up a good fight, but I had to be pretty gingerly not to snap the line. It was only a matter of time though before he was in my net, and I was able to look at him and take a picture. Just want to see ya. Come here, buddy. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that color pattern. The trout up here definitely did not disappoint. I mean, they were beautiful. Like I said, in this creek and river, all of them were wild. None of them were stock, so I had a blast slinging these bad boys. And they did not disappoint. The first day was pretty rough. All I caught one. Had a couple bites. But by the second day, I had it figured out. Foot-pow! Look at that bad boy. I mean, those spots and that color pattern is next to none. Yeah, get over here. And another one. Reeling this bad boy in. Started working up an appetite, so after this one I figured it's time to head back to camp. I was gonna cook some French toast and then get ready to head home. My God, look at that. Alright, we're back from fishing. That was a blast. I was gonna do a apple caramel French toast, but completely forgot the apples. So we're just gonna make French toast. We're gonna get into that, and then let me go put this pan on to get hot. Take these bad boy, flip them to the coda. Get on the side. You don't want to let them sit in there too long, it'll get too soggy and saturated where they won't get crisp on them. You want to let them sitting there long enough to where they're hard to flavor. Honey on this bad boy. Some of our whipped cream. And voila. Camp French toast, baby. The moment of truth, baby. I know this thing would have been busted. Would have been that bad. Man, that don't suck. Well, I'm gonna finish eating this and get packed up and head on back home. Hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the Great Smoky Mountains. This is the Elkmont campgrounds. The next camping excursion is going to be in North Carolina on the other side of the Smoky Mountains. It's going to be more primitive camping, kind of bushcraft style, but that's going to be in October when fall's coming. So we got a lot of great excursions and fishing trips planned and camping trips, so stay tuned. There's gonna be more. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Yippee-ki-yay, Mother Nature.